Welcome to review station number 7. At this station, we will be reviewing lines and transversals. There are 4 angle pairs that we discussed in class that are created when 2 lines, for this instance M and N, are cut by a transversal. In this case would be L. The first relationship that we talked about were corresponding angles. These are angles that are in similar positions in relation to each line and the transversal. For instance, angles 1 and 5 would be corresponding angles. Another pair would be 2 and 6. Another pair would be 3 and 7. And the last pair would be 4 and 8. Notice those are in the same positions in relation to each individual line and the transversal. The second type of lines that we talked about were alternate interior angles. These angles are interior angles, meaning they are between my 2 lines. So that excludes angles 1 and 2 and 8 and 7. They are not inside the 2 lines. Alternate, think of that meaning opposite. They are in complete opposite positions. So for instance, angles 4 and 6. You also have another pair, angles 3 and 5. The third pair of angles that we discussed are alternate exterior. Exterior means outside the lines, so that automatically marks out angles 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alternate, again, means exact opposite. So a pair of alternate exterior angles would be 1 and 7. The other pair would be 2 and 8. The last pair are same side interior angles. Again, interior means they are between the 2 lines, so that takes angles 1, 2, 8, and 7 out of the picture. Same side, meaning they are on the same side of the transversal. So angles 4 and 5 would be same side interior angles. Also, angles 3 and 6 would be another pair of same side interior angles. Let's look at our examples. We want to name the relationship between X and Y. If I look at the first one, notice they are in similar positions. The Y is above the line to the right of the transversal. The X is also above the line to the right of the transversal. Therefore, these are corresponding angles. If I look at the second one, even though I have 3 lines there, do not let that throw you off. I'm only going to hone in on the lines and the transversal that are created by those angles. Notice both angles are between my 2 lines, that making them an interior angle. They are not on the same side of the transversal, they are on opposite sides. So these 2 angles would be alternate interior angles. The last pair, notice they're both interior angles. They're inside my 2 lines. They are on the same side of the transversal, so therefore they are same side interior angles. Thank you for visiting station number 7.